Guys, today we're just going to find out how loud the car is. I have a decibel meter on my phone, and we're going to hook it up somewhere in this vicinity right here, and I'm going to start the car up, let it idle, and then I'm going to rev it up a little bit, and we'll see how loud it is. Alright guys, so just at idle we got a maximum of 103.6 decibels, and that was just at idle. So we're going to rev it up a little bit. I've got the GoPro sitting inside so you guys can see how many RPMs I'm at, and we're going to rev it up, see how high it gets in. Wow, not much louder. We got a maximum of 110.7. So, not that loud, but still kind of loud. What we got here? So 110 decibels is equivalent to a steel mill, an auto horn at 1 meter, a turbofan aircraft at takeoff power at 200 feet, a riveting machine, or live rock music. So that gives you an example. Of course, I'm only, what did you think, 3 feet, and then the exhaust cuts off right up here. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. If any of you guys have any more questions about how loud the car is, or the car in particular, just leave a comment down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next video.